Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Juju Gurgel, your Florida lifestyle blogger, and today I am going to take you on a tour of our garden. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's start from the beginning, shall we? This is a pumpkin tree that we just threw the pumpkin. We just actually threw a whole pumpkin there, right there on the floor after Halloween, and it started growing. And I guess it's springtime here in Florida, so everything grows. This is one of our boldo trees. And if you don't know about boldo, it's mostly an herb that it's used in South America, mainly to cure hangovers and stomach issues. I remember that my grandma used to use it a lot for my aunts and uncles when they used to get a hangover. Not for herself, because my grandma never drank, but it was so efficient that that every time they got a hangover, my grandma made it for them, and bam, they were fine. So let's move on. If you haven't watched our previous videos, I'll leave a link up here on the screen so you can see how much this moringa tree has grown. A whole lot. This right here is our peanut butter fruit tree. Believe it or not, has been giving us fruits all year long. Right here we have a brand new Everglades tomato. My husband has grown some stuff over here. I'm not quite sure what this is, to be quite frank with you. And we have a lot of coconuts here. We have our own well, manual well pump. If you want to know how to make your own well, let me know in the comments below. I'll ask my husband to make a video. We have some shia growing on, and here's more boldo. Our sweet potato died, but hopefully it will be coming back soon. Over here we have some more peanut butter fruit growing. They just grow so easily. And look how cool our papaya. This has grown within a year, and we'll be having some papaya soon. We have about 3 of them here in the garden, and we have more outside of the garden too. Here's our banana trees. You see we have some bananas growing already. And this over here that we are growing is a Swiss chard. My husband just planted these about 2 weeks ago. And we have some Okinawa spinach right there, and some longevity spinach. Another moringa tree. And these over here, they were doing really well during the winter, but now it's getting a little hot and they're dying. These are some collard greens. I've been using them a lot in my cooking. And these over here are eggplant, which, believe it or not, I bought the eggplant from the store, collected the seeds, and now we're growing some. Now, I'm about to show you a tree. It's not really a tree. It looks like a tree, but it's totally a vine. It just started taking over the grapefruit tree, and it's hilarious. So look at this. You see this right here? So this is passion fruit, and passion fruit is a vine. And you see right here, this is actually the grapefruit tree. And the passion fruit has just been taking over. Has been taking over everything. You see? I love passion fruit trees, so I cannot wait until we have some fruits. Over here we have more Okinawa spinach. We just pretty much grow them everywhere because they do so well here in Florida. And over here we have what I call our nursery. This is where we start all of our plants, and then we plant them throughout the garden. Over here in the back we have a yucca tree right here. We're doing really, really well. This right here is more Everglades tomato. This is some lettuce that I bought it from the store and I just replanted. This one right here is a mulberry tree. And this right here where you guys see, it's called Isola. They are really, really good to feed the chicken. And my husband will actually be doing a video about it and explaining exactly how to grow them and what they are good for. And over here we have our bunnies. We got more bunnies. One of our bunnies just had a baby. We also acquired some chickens. So that's our garden for you, and if you have any questions about any plants, please let me know in the comments below. I will go ahead and add the other videos that I have about some of the plants, like for example the peanut butter fruit tree. Go ahead and link it down below. But if you have any other questions, like I said, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. And if you have enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and it helps me out a whole lot. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and become part of the Jujubee family. Thank you so much for watching. I catch you next time. Bye bye now.